Okay, bomb threat is a declaration of an intention to destroy or injure the target by means of a bomb. Bomb threat have multiple means of delivery. Can be communicated through telephone, email, courier, video, and audio tapes. At yung nauuso ngayon, yung email, na balita, ang nakaraan. And others, depende sa imagination ng gagawa. We must investigate and respond to every bomb that we receive. Lalo na kung kayo yung nakatanggap ng tawag. Preparation is key to reducing panic and preventing the loss of lives and property. Ito yun, kaya tayo nag-aaral dahil sa training. Just in case may mangyari, may encounter ninyo, may experience ninyo, dahil nag-training kayo, alam ninyo ang gagawin ninyo, hindi pa rin kayo magpapalit. Kasi, narinig ko na to, tinuro ni Colonel Gatral, tinuro ni Mr. Pumolo, Mr. Maniglang, Mr. Sam, Mr. Santo Domingo. Ang sikreto lang, makinig. Namnamin natin ang bawat sinasabi. Buong nakasulat.